Hello and welcome to Polyfield. Let's create a football today. So this is our viewport. Remove this default cube. Let's take IQ sphere and give it a subdivision surface modifier. Develop the viewport to 2 and apply. Now go to the edit mode. We have this. Now we have to select our pentagons. To do that, let's select this middle one from the hexagon. So we increase the selection by pressing Ctrl plus once and twice. Okay, now press Shift G and click on the vertex group. Surface region. Okay, accept my apology. Now we have unselected our pentagons. To select them, let's press Ctrl I to invert the selection. All of them are not selected, so let's increase the selection by pressing Ctrl plus. Now we have selected our pentagons. Let's create a material for this black leather. Click on the plus. Now we have a new one. Let's name it black. Assign it. Change the color black or maybe less black. Okay, this one will work. We have our black leather. Now we need our white leather. Let's selection again by Ctrl I. We need to select this one too. No problem. Select Ctrl plus I. Okay, we have them. Now create a new material. Let's name this white and assign them. Okay, we have our materials. Now we need our piece. Let's select our alter and click to select. Now we need to select 5. Let's select alter, shift and click. And click. Okay, if you can see my keystroke and clicks here, and if you wonder what is this, this is a plugins. I have another video for this. I will give a link in the description. Okay, now we select this. We need to select more of this. So Shift G and click on of the connection edge. We are having some extra, so let's Ctrl minus. Okay, we have our desired section. Let's click change this to edge mode, and we need some bevels. Ctrl B, and not that much, a little much. Okay, and we need an extra loop. So just move your mouse wheel for once. Okay, we haven't. Click to apply. Now we have to select only the middle one. So reduce the selection by Ctrl minus and left scale it by pressing S. So we have our crease. I think this one will be okay. Let's click to apply. And let's go to the object mode. It's what we got. This one. Give it another subdivision modifier. Surface. Okay. Level viewport to 2. And you can right click and shade smooth. So let's see in the render mode. Okay. Now we have our.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you need any specific tutorial.